Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm reviewing Genspark AI Super Agent, and let me tell you, this tool is a godsend. If you're into AI that can build websites, generate videos, and do deep research, stick around because we're diving into the details. So, what exactly is Genspark AI? It's a super-powered AI tool from China, and it's designed to help you with everything from creating websites to generating videos and performing deep research. Whether you're a business owner, a content creator, or just someone who loves playing with AI, Genspark has something to offer. Now, what really sets Genspark apart are its Genspark agents. These agents work autonomously on complex tasks like website creation, research, and content generation. Essentially, they act as your AI assistants, but much more powerful and customizable than anything you've seen before. Let's talk about the key features that really make Genspark stand out. First, I tried using Genspark to create a website. All I did was feed it some basic information, and boom, it researched the content, designed a professional-looking website, and even added customized images and text. It's like having a design team and a content creator working together. You can do all this just by using Genspark's simple interface, and if you want a tutorial or training video on how to use Genspark AI, there are resources available to guide you through every step. Now, I've used Manus before, and while it's a good tool, it doesn't quite compare to Genspark in terms of customization and output. Manus gives you a website, but it's not as polished or tailored to your needs as Genspark is. Genspark takes it a step further, adding real images, customizing content, and creating interactive designs. Hey everyone! So, let's talk about pricing. Genspark has a free version that gives you 200 credits per day, which is great for getting a feel for the platform. If you want more power, the paid plan is $239 per year, which gives you more credits and priority access to new features like video and image generation. But it doesn't stop there. Genspark can also generate images and videos. I asked it to create a short Simpsons episode summarizing recent news. And just like that, it created an animated video. You can generate short 5-second clips and even stitch them together into full-length videos using HTML. This is perfect if you want to create engaging social media content or just have some fun. Genspark brings your ideas to life in motion, from animated characters to short video clips. Another feature I really like is Genspark's deep research capability. You can ask it to research any topic in detail, and it doesn't just spit out a list of links. It gives you a well-organized, comprehensive report. I asked it to research the social structures of orcas, and it came back with a detailed, interactive report. This is the kind of research tool that can save you hours of time and effort. It's fast, efficient, and it actually understands what you need, unlike other search tools. Creating a website with Genspark is super easy. All you need to do is provide some basic information, and Genspark will handle the rest. From the design to the copy to the images, it's all done for you. It's like having a personal web designer at your fingertips. So, in conclusion, Genspark AI is a powerful, all-in-one tool for website creation, video generation, and deep research. Whether you're building a website or creating content, Genspark has the agents and tools you need to get the job done. And it's so easy to use. If you're looking for an AI assistant to handle all the hard work for you, Genspark is definitely worth checking out. That's it for today's review of Genspark. If you're curious to give it a try, head over to genspark.ai and see how it can work for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an AI tool review. Drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next video.